Flow Tour, first one in Idaho, I got third.
I got fourth by 0.2.
But I also got fourth.
And I got third. I got third first. And then they were like, wait, actually TK got third and you got fourth. So I had to give my medal to this guy.
So since the margin was so small that we placed apart from, we're going to cut this in half, but I get the nipple.
Because he won by 0.2. Is it a nipple or a lanyard hole thing? That thing?
Let's cut it.
Ready?
And hate us. Yep, I'm ready.
Okay.
That went way faster than I thought it was going to.
So TK is this one, and I get this piece. So I got my medal back.